Hey Sam.
Hello.
So we're gonna be talking about training.
It's not that I don't know the answers to them. I just don't know the correct company line answer.
I'm not looking for a company line, looking for a legit answer from within yourself.
Okay. Let's see. Hi, I'm Sam Estrada. I'm a PLM consultant slash trainer here at Swoosh Technologies.
So what is your specialty here at Swoosh?
So I had two specialties. One started out with Solid Edge, so did about 2-3 years. It came from another CAD package, so transitioning over into Solid Edge it helped, knowing one CAD package and seeing what the differences were and how Solid Edge, the especially with synchronous technology, the tools that had. So that was a big plus.
We want to know like what's the average day like in Sam's classroom, and especially now that all of our training is virtual. Like, how have you adapted the material and the training sessions for that virtual environment?
Okay, yeah. We bring the students in, we turn on our webcams, we say hi, get them familiar. Even though we're not there, we still kind of like the presence of face-to-face contact. And as we're going through each one of the lessons or going through each one of the sessions, we do go back, ask feedback from the class to make sure that everybody's there, by either interacting with them. I know Teams has raised your hand. We have shared screens, we have whiteboards that we turn on, so we could interact still with the students and still get that feedback from them. We're actually helping the new people have never worked from home or are starting to work from home. We're helping them adapt you know, to what we've been kind of doing for a while now. So we're helping them adapt to our virtual training. And the way we do that is we send out our courseware ahead of time to either the coordinator that we're working with or to the individual students. You just kind of work around the awkwardness of doing what I'm doing right now, which is just talking to a little box on top of my monitor.
Also, do you have a favorite aspect of training?
I guess meeting the students and just hearing their different backgrounds and what they do. That's always fun. You get exposure into different industries that you may not be, accustomed to or normal. You run into somebody else who's consumer electronics, or they manufacture more plastics, molds, plastics, aerospace. Kind of, you start jumping from industry to industry, and you kind of pick up on different things on, how things are manufactured, what the problem, the problem solving process that they use. You get to hit every other industry, so it's a good knowledge base to kind of keep an eye on, and you get to learn a lot of different things. So,
Awesome, thank you so much.
yay!